what's up, y'all? This is PoisonEternal.
Dun. Fang wolf bitches.
And we're sorry that we haven't been doing our Lazy Day projects and other stuff. It's because I had difficulty with my iPad, and yeah. And we had technical...
He had to reset it, and he's gonna get a reset tomorrow.
No, I gotta get the update for iMovie.
Oh, yeah.
That I can edit this crap.
Okay.
And also Frito Lights has been having
Girl problems.
School problems.
Yeah, okay, school problems.
Yeah. And also...
I've been having transportation problems.
Yeah, and I've been having, Wi-Fi problems, if you may say. So, yeah, just sit back, relax. And we want to thank you for people that subscribe for us. We want to say, we love you.
That's so hard. Kingdom Hearts.
The music here has been brought to you by MP3 Skull. Thank you.